Want to know how to generate a Rissent drum in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. Here on top navigation bar, you should be seeing generates. That should be right beside track. So you can just simply select it. And now once you generate here, you should be seeing Rissent drum. So you can just simply select Rissent drum right here. And now on the Rissent drum, you can just simply select the frequency, the decay in seconds, and other center frequency noise, width of noise, and amplitude. Once you're done, just simply select generate. And once that is on here, you can see your Rissent drum has been added. You can just simply select spacebar to preview it. And that's it, you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.